everyone, today it's Isaac King Videos, and today I'm going to show you guys how to check if your serial number has been compromised. So why am I doing this video? So this video is for iPhone users that have Find My iPhone or iCloud logged off because of something called the serial number swapping. So first, we want to go to the account and we need to check if iCloud is Find My iPhone is off. If it's off, then you have to perform the check. Now, go to the serial number. In general, I meant. Then go to the About page. Now, you would see the serial number right there. Push and hold on it, and it should say a copy. Click the copy and go to the browser. Once you're in the browser, you want to search up something called FMI iCloud Check. Alright. Sorry about that, why my iPhone was off. Okay, go to the first one. And then what you have to do now. What to do now is you accept the consent and then put in your serial number. Put in your serial number and then hit the magnifying glass. It should do a captcha. Complete the captcha first and click next. If it shows something else, do the captcha and click verify. Now it should check. It should say check in. Alright, so if it says Find My iPhone off, then your serial number has not been compromised. If it says on, and you don't have Find My iPhone on your device with that serial number, your iPhone or iPad has been compromised. If this says on, and you don't have it switched on in settings on the same device with the same serial number, then you're compromised. Someone else is using your serial number. But if it says off, you're good. So that's how you can check if your iPad or iPhone's serial number has been compromised. So anyways, thanks for watching and subscribe.